In this video, we are going to learn how to solve systems of equations by graphing. So for the very first one, I'm going to use blue, and we're going to graph this by using the slope-intercept method. So it's already set equal to y, so I'm going to go up 4 for my y-intercept, and then the slope is 5, so I'm going to go up 5 over 1, and this same pattern will continue, which I can go down 5 over 1, down 5 over 1, and so on. So let's connect these. I want to keep this as straight as possible. So if you're writing this out on a piece of paper, I'd use a ruler or the edge of a piece of paper to make that a straight line. And then on the next one, I'm going to go ahead and use red. I want to graph this one, but I got to solve for y first. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. So I have 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 18. Whoops, actually it is minus 18. Then I'm going to divide everything by 2. So I get y is equal to negative 3/2 x minus 9. And then to graph from there, I go down 9. And then I'm going to go down 3 over 2, which is the same thing as going up 3 over 2, up 3 over 2. So this is my graph. And then my solution is going to be right here where they cross. So these two lines intersect here at negative 2. And then we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 2, negative 6. So this is the point that'll make both equations true. So let's go ahead and check this. So if I plug this back in, let's come up here and check both of these. So I plug in a negative 2 for x and a negative 6 for y. So I'm checking this one I've circled in blue. So I have y equals, so negative 6 equals 5 times x, which is negative 2, plus 4. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 4 is negative 6. So yes, negative 6 equals negative 6. That works. So now I want to make sure that this point, negative 2, negative 6, also works for my second equation. So I plug in 3 times x, which is a negative 2, plus 2 times y, which is a negative 6, then equals negative 18. So 3 times negative 2 is a negative 6, and then 2 times a negative 6 is a negative 12. And when I add those together, I get negative 18, which is equal to negative 18. So this point right here, negative 2, negative 6, is the correct answer, and it is the only point that will work for both of these equations.